Hey y'all, guess what time of the month it is? Yes, oh yes. Let's see what's going on this month. I've seen a lot of spoilers, and this is my third month getting this subscription box bag, whatever it is. If you don't know, it is a monthly subscription. I believe it is $13.99 or $13.99. Sorry, how to think about that. It's $13.99 a month plus $3.99 shipping and handling. The products are a variation, 3 to 5 full-size products each month come in this subscription box from all different types of brands. Some you've heard of, some you haven't heard of, but usually there's a good variety. They do skincare, nail care, makeup, things like that. So far I have gotten 2 subscription boxes from this company. Both times they were decent. My first time was great. I got a full-size eyeshadow palette, a lot of nail care products, a lot of eye glitters, things like that, all from the brand Bella Pierre. Now, previously I wasn't a big fan of Bella Pierre, and I'm still not their biggest fan. They're not my go-to brand, but if I'm somewhere and I need something, then I know I can go to the dollar store or Five Below, something like that, and I can find these products, and they're decent quality. They're not great quality. I wouldn't call them drugstore by any means. They're not up there, but they're good quality. And I do use the products that I did receive, so the box is totally worth its value. Last month, it wasn't as great. We didn't get as many products, which isn't a big deal. We received a full crown brush set. Now, it was a starter set. It came in a little roll-up thing. The brushes come in, you know, a little pack to organize them. It was great. I gave it to my daughter. She loved it. She uses them, not a problem. She's 16, so they're great. Now, they're not by any means the top quality makeup artist brushes, but they're a good starter set, and they're a good basic set. If I wanted to travel, I would not hesitate to take that pack, throw it in my travel bag, and I would be good for a vacation. Because obviously, I'm not going full glam, and I don't need anything amazing on vacations. They would be good for something like that. We also received a few other products, none of which I'm complaining about. They were all decent products. This month, let's see what we've got. Let's get into it. Now, my only gripe about this subscription box is that they ship with DHL. DHL is like the trash man of shipping services. I don't know why they use DHL. USPS is so much faster, I'm telling you. I'm just dumping this out on my desk here while we're chatting. DHL takes forever. So I'm billed on the 1st, and I seriously get my shipping notice around the 5th, and then here we are, the 19th of the month, and I just get my bag. DHL, step up your game. If you can't do it, yes, oh yes, move on. Move on. Find a different shipping company. If I'm paying $3.99 for shipping, you know what? You can do flat rate shipping through the post office for the same cost, honey. Just ship somewhere, ship through someone else. That's my only gripe. Especially, I'm paying for shipping. Give me better shipping, please. Just, please. Better shipping. Anyways, let's move on. Let's be positive. Let's stay positive. Let's keep it going. This month, it is Miami Art Deco themed. Sorry, this is kind of a little wadded up. I mean, when you put it in this little mailer, it tends to get, they're super cute. I love pink. This is my color, y'all. And I mean, it takes care of the products really well, but if it's paper, it can get a little messy, and that's what mine did. So this month, they're saying, I'm just holding this up in front of my face, y'all. They're saying that the box value is $91. And there's a coupon code YAS for a special 10 to 20% off or more with any of the makeup companies and makeup company involved with this bag, you can get the 10 to 20% discount by using that code. So I'm sharing it with y'all. I don't make any money off of that. I purchased this bag myself, but if you want any of these products or anything from this, any of these cosmetic lines, the code is YAS. You can save 10 to 20%. So save a little coin, be a little happy. Let's get into it. The first thing on our list is the Cosmoholic Liquid Lipstick with LED light. Okay, so it's like rectangle, kind of cute. I mean, I like the holographic. I honestly can't keep it straight, and I don't care to. It has a little mirror on the back. Hey, how you doing? The colors, it doesn't say a color name on it. It does not say a shade name. Oh, okay. So the light is in the lid. I wonder how long that's going to last before the batteries go dead. And it just says liquid lipstick. Girl already has some lipstick on, but it's matte. It smells good. I mean, it's got the typical like vanilla scent to it. So it's a tinier doe foot than I'm used to. But let's see. Look at me glow. Okay. So pigmentation is a little light. I am putting it over another lipstick. It feels a bit sticky. And not sticky like your lips are going to stick together. It feels like a gloss. Sticky like a gloss. So I think, let's go ahead and swatch it. I mean, the light's kind of cool. I don't think it's functional or purpose. It doesn't have a purpose. But I really do think that this is a gloss, it's not a matte lipstick. It's not going to dry down matte. I was just showing this to my mirror, y'all, instead of my camera. So it's not got a lot of opacity, but it's a great kind of corally orange, kind of almost a terracotta color. Great for summer. It's not goopy sticky. It's just not liquid lipstick texture, which is fine because it's actually pretty lightweight and it was just enough moisture to kind of loosen up my liquid lipstick, which is great because the kind that I was wearing will actually be featured in another video. It was from shopmissa.com. Yeah, Shop Miss A. It's a $1 liquid lipstick, super supreme color, but ultra drying on my lips, honestly. I didn't use it in that video. I didn't use it for the look in that video, which is right here. So watch for that video coming out. Check it out if you're interested in any of these products, by the way. But oh yeah, that's still sticky. I just stuck my hand in it. But it's very drying. Just, okay. We're keeping it moving. Let's stay focused here. The next thing that I got here, that I have here in my hand, the next thing I got's in my hand. Y'all, I promise I'm educated. The next thing that I have in my hand is a Laritzi Cosmetics lip pencil in Retro Red. Now this lip gloss lipstick has a retail value of $25. This lip liner, which will not go with that lipstick, by the way. No, not at all. Retails at $18, and it is actually a wood pencil. So there's the color. Laritzi Retro Red. So we're good there. Let's just go ahead. Okay, who doesn't need a good red liner? That is a very good, like, that's a bright color. The texture feels really good. It feels just soft enough to be blendable, but not so soft that you're not going to be able to work with it. So this might be okay. Sometimes I likes me a red lip, so I'm definitely going to try this out. Watch for a follow-up video and let me know. So I'll let you know what's going on with that. Next in line, we have Stormé Cosmetics eyeliner. It says it retails for $18. Now I'm trying to pull the wrapper off of this, it's got the safety seal on it, which I fully appreciate, but at the same time, y'all, I can't get it off. That's what she said. I just can't get it off there. Anyways, okay, there we go. We just pull the lid off and function with it that way. We just slide it off. We're done. Okay, so it is a square pencil, and I got this shade Navy. Let me see. Can I function like this? My first time doing this. Okay, so it is in the shade Navy Blue 4, and it is an actual wooden pencil. And let's just swatch it right next. Oh, y'all. Look at that. That color is beautiful, and it applied gorgeous. I have never been one to use a blue eyeliner, but I'm gonna try it out. Watch my Instagram and see if you can catch it on my Instagram. We'll load up. We'll take some photos, okay? See if you can catch it over there. Next thing we have is the Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. This retails for $12. Cute little pink box. Super cute, simple packaging. And I got the shade Afterglow. And it is purple, y'all. I don't think I can depot this. So we got a super purple shade. Oh wow. For a baked highlighter, y'all, this actually feels really soft. And it is lilac. Let's shield some of that light. Like, that was simple. Y'all, that was so simple. I wonder, let's try something. Let's try it out. I'm just gonna take my lovely little Morphe E61 and let's see what's going on here. I got a little bit of highlight on, but wow. Okay, we can ice it up. Let's see what's going on with this side. Look at that. Like, easy as pie, y'all. And it just melts right in. Guys, I might be, look at that. I am glowing. The gods are calling me home, y'all. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm happy. Like, right now, I am most excited about this product right here. So excited. So excited. Okay. Let's move along, y'all. Let's keep it moving. All right. The last final product in this bag this month. I keep calling it a bag. It's called a subscription box, but it comes in a bag, y'all. I'm sorry. Anyways, it's a Nomad Cosmetics Havana eyeshadow. Comes in cute little packaging like this. It's called La Habana La Playa. So, intense eyeshadow, cruelty free, so bonus there for all you cruelty free folks. I personally don't mind my dog wearing my lipstick sometimes. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. I know that's not what cruelty free means, but you know. Okay, so this honestly, it says, what did it retails at $18 for a single shadow. That's high for a single shadow, y'all, especially for a company I haven't heard of. We'll see how it is, but their single shadows, let me show you. It comes with a mirror in there. I'm trying not to blind y'all, but it comes with a mirror in there. And that's a pretty decent color. It's kind of, I mean, it's a little bit shimmery, so I don't know about a transition shade, but for a basic look, let me kind of wipe off my finger here, because, you know, I got that lilac Stuffs highlighter on there. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my hand too, so we got some space. Oh yeah, clean hands. Everybody loves some clean hands. Okay, sorry y'all, it's been a long day. You don't even know, I've been filming for a while, y'all. I have been not feeling very well, so I'm falling a little behind. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just sticking my finger in. It feels really creamy, really buttery. Ooh! Oh, it's like a good champagne color. Honestly, this could be a good highlight. This could be a good inner corner brow bone. Or just if you're doing a simple nude look, neutral look, it will actually be pretty amazing. I guess the shade color, the shade name, there we go. I promise there's only coffee in this cup, no alcohol. But the shade name is La Playa. So this looks really good. I'm going to try it out, and honestly I'll probably use it more as a highlight shade than anything. But that's our bag this month. Retail value of $91, and after everything's all said and done, this one runs about $18 a month. So not too bad. We got an eyeliner, we got a lip liner, we got a liquid lipstick. Y'all, let's just be real and call it what it is. It's a gloss. It's a gloss, but it's okay. I'm not at it. We got this amazing lilac highlighter and this super cute shadow. So if you're interested in joining this party with this bag it's fairly new, up and coming, they're trying to catch up with BoxyCharm, let me tell you. Click the link below, it will take you over, you can sign up, easy peasy, and you can be in the club with the cool kids next month. So check out this highlighter one more time. See you in the next video. Bye.